issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Adams County in south central Pennsylvania, southeastern Franklin County in south central Pennsylvania, until 9 p.m. At 8:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Paramount Long Meadow, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near around 8:30 p.m. Mont Alto around 8:40 p.m. Carroll.
That ain't good.